So I was hoping to do the next video with the camera series and make a lens, but I've run into a little bit of an issue with my kiln breaking. And it's kind of the issue with glass is that it's very corrosive. It's like I stabbed a xenomorph or something. It just burns through everything. I got the repairs coming in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is already gone, and 7's on the way. 7 kilns now to do this series. So it's been like $3,000 in kilns alone. So thanks to our Patreon supporters for allowing us to afford more. As you can see, you got the glass all ready to be melted for the lenses in a nice mold. So I was able to Frankenstein this little beast together between a few different kiln setups. It's either gonna electrocute me to death or I can melt some more pennies. So I'm gonna try and make some scale 1/5 size penny knives. This was about $5 worth of pennies. This should be about $1 each. Call it a buck knife. Cue the montage. Before trying my Frankenstein electric kiln, I give it a shot with my propane foundry. Unfortunately, it doesn't quite seem to be efficiently set up. It never quite got hot enough to fully melt. But this is why I put together the Frankenstein kiln. The pennies end up with a pretty large amount of slag, so I only ended up being able to pour 2.5 knives. Just look at it. Ooh, it worked. After melting down the last of the copper pennies, I went back and returned the leftover zinc ones. Starting with $39 worth of pennies, I only melted around $8. That means only roughly 20% of the pennies were actually the copper ones. So I ended up only having enough to make 2 knives, and they are pretty shiny. You will notice that these are actually fully copper, just the pennies. Previously with the sword, I added tin, and you can tell there's a pretty big color difference to them. Supposedly there's a bit of zinc in it. This is just a scrap piece of basically pure copper. Pretty close in color. And I also have the bronze sword. You can see there's a whole rainbow of color. The penny sword is a bit bronzer. The knife is very, very copper. These are pretty soft. I can bend them pretty easily, so they aren't the most functional of knives, but they're pretty and they make great letter openers, and I'm gonna keep them very dull to avoid any legal issues. So we're gonna give these away. So in the comments, tell me what your favorite video of this year was and why. Just to play things safe, we're gonna limit the giveaway to just the US, and we'll probably need parental consent if you're under 18 years of age. First, we have another giveaway to wrap up, so I'll have Chris announce the winners of the Mel giveaway.
We said that we would give away 3 1/2-year subscriptions to Mel Science Kits. The first giveaway is from James. That's a real creative name, James. Mel stands for Mixed Everything Lapdog. I have the perfect Mixed Everything Lapdog named Bosco. He is my love and joy, so that was the comment that really stood out from you, James. The second winner is GR33N Timer 15. They said Mel equals magic entertainment learning, or matter, electricity, and life? Number 3 is from Rando Cub. Rando wrote, Mel obviously stands for making education legendary. Joey, you're in the shot. You're in the shot. Get out. Go, go. Keep the camera rolling. We'll do it live. I gotta tell you, the folks at Mel Science were so overwhelmed by the content that they decided to give a 4th giveaway for this video, a surprise giveaway. And how Melt wrote, Mel means chalk in Russian. Fun fact, Mel does mean chalk in Russian. So thank you for subscribing and liking and commenting on the videos, and we'll be sure to give away a lot more free stuff down the road.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and check out other content we have covering a wide variety of topics. Also, if you've enjoyed these series, consider supporting us on Patreon. We are largely a fan-funded channel and depend on the support of our viewers in order to keep our series going. Thanks for watching.